Example 22. A card is drawn at random from a standard pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that it is a 9, 10, Jack, or Queen if nothing more is known. And then you got all these other options. So, what do? First of all, let's work out what the sample space is. Hey, look at that. It's already there because I'm not a bastard. Okay, so your sample space is 9 of clubs, 9 of diamonds, 9 of hearts, 9 of spades, 10 of, Jack of, Queen of. Cool? Yeah. So what's the probability of A occurring? Probability of A equals, how many are there? 12. Out of how many? 16. Out of 52. Which we can simplify down to? 4 over 13. All right, so that's question A. What about question B? It is known to be a court card, so we now know it's a court card. So what has that reduced our sample space to be? So you can either use the formula or you can do the reduced sample space over the reduced event space. Which would you prefer? Is it what? Yeah, because if we know that it is a Jack, Queen, or King. Yep. Okay, because the sample space, so we've got 8 out of 12, correct? Well, I probably shouldn't have done that. Probability B. Okay, does that make sense? Because there's 4 Jacks, 4 Queens, 4 Kings, so that gives you 12. But we only want the Queens and the Queens and Jacks, so that gives us 8 out of 12. Happy with that? The other way you would write that is probability of A pipe B equals amount of A intersection B over amount in B, which equals 8 over 12, because B being the new one. All right, question C. It is known to be either an 8 or a 10. Oh, I'm having problems drawing stuff. No, it's just, this is me. I couldn't decide whether to do square brackets or curly brackets. Okay, so probability of 8s and 10s. So the reduced one is what? Well, we don't care about the 8s, do we? Because we only had 9, 10, Jack, Queen. So how many have we got? Out of? There you go. And you can simplify that. Last one, I'm not going to simplify it, you can. It is known not to be a 2, 3, 4, or 5. So card's not 2, 3, 4, or 5. So, did that affect our set? There's no intersection, there's no. So our set is still A. Yeah? So, but we've reduced our event space. So how many are there in total? There's 16 still. But it's not a 2, 3, 4, or 5, so it's not out of 52 anymore. It's out of 36. Which brings us down to 4 over 9. Well done, skis. Well done.